But watch this. Now, inside here, we put this can of beer. So it steams inside. And this is the best part about this, okay? In a Kamado grill, it keeps the heat and it keeps the moisture all inside the grill. So your grilling experience is second to none. Here, let me tear into this just a little bit to show you. It's tender and juicy on the inside like you've never seen. Crispy skin on the outside. The flavors are amazing. And because you've steamed that with the beer, it's an amazing flavor. If you've never tried it before, there's actually a recipe that comes in the recipe book that you get with the grill today. And that's gonna go amazing with that mac and cheese and the cornbread. But here, real quick, we've got these steaks that we put on here just a minute ago. I'm gonna flip these steaks because they're ready to flip. Look at this, beautiful char-seared steaks done in minutes. And you can do all of this on your Lifesmart Kamado grill. Now, Prime Day, we got a special deal, okay? Normally our grills on Amazon are $5.99, which if you look anywhere, that's about the most competitive price you'll find anywhere for a 15-inch Kamado grill. Today, through the 14th, okay, we're having a special on our Kamado grill, whether it be the blue, the red, or the black. We're taking 50% off, $2.99 for an amazing grill. Scroll down on your screen, take a look at them, pick which color you like, and pick one up for yourself, or pick one up for a gift. At this price, they make a great, great holiday gift. Lifesmart is also known not just for their Kamado grills and their pellet grills. We have another one that we're going to show you today. It's our reversible grill griddle. Okay, now this one I love because I like to go camping. I do a lot of fishing, camping, go up in the mountains in Colorado, or if you're up in Oregon or anywhere out west, even in the Smokies. I tell you what, this is the perfect grill for your camping, and I'll tell you why. It's a reversible grill griddle that's portable. Okay, we have a 100%. This is a cast griddle grate. Okay, that's reversible. So I've got some breakfast going here, and let me plate some of this up for you. I know breakfast for most of the country is over. Maybe out on the West Coast you can still get some breakfast, but hey, eggs, bacon, flapjacks on the griddle, and it's all portable, which I'll show you here in a second. But you can do this in your own backyard. What I like about this, it's a 17-inch reversible griddle that you will complement the best outdoor grills that you may have in your backyard already. If you already have an outdoor grill, maybe it's a gas grill, maybe it's a charcoal grill, try our Kamado grill. It's a great complement to your gas grill when you want that charcoal flavor. And to have a griddle that will fit on the side table next to your outdoor grill, it's an amazing thing because you can do your breakfast. And then check this out. Now I'm going to flip this over because it's hot already. Normally you can pick the side that you want, but look at this. We're going to flip this over, and in a second I've got a grill. So from a griddle to an outdoor grill, all adjustable, so you can go from low to high heat. This is up to 15,000 BTUs of heat. And what's great about this, as this is heating up, it has a lid. So you can close this down for camping. This is amazing because it keeps all the pine needles, the bird droppings, all that stuff off your grill while it's sitting there. While you're using it, you can lift the lid up. You can close the lid to keep the heat inside. So as this is heating up, and here I'll put some, we'll throw some burgers and dogs on here now. And I'll tell you what, a 17-inch grill is enough to do enough burgers, and these are like almost 3/4 pound burgers here for a family of 4. And literally you can take this with you in the back seat of your car, which I'll show you here in a second, because everything is portable. All right, this works off of any propane bottle that you have. It could be, maybe it's one of these, okay, or maybe it's one of these like we have over here, the little camping propane bottles. The best part, I think, in the backyard, we give you this adapter. It's a 3-foot adapter hose that hooks up to the regulator and hooks up to your normal propane bottle in the backyard. So many ways to use this. You can have it as portable as you like. I like to show you how easy it is to set up and clean and take with you. The whole thing comes in a bag. Easy to carry, take with you. But the setup is so easy. All you're going to do is unzip the bag. It has a pocket to keep that little extra hose in. You take it out of the bag. You can set this up on a picnic table. You can set it up on the back, on the tailgate of your truck. The lid folds up. The grill is here. You take the griddle off. It's got this little rack, and everything stores inside. So all you're going to do is hook up the regulator, and then whatever propane bottle that you want to use, you attach that just like this. Did this a lot faster earlier, but when I'm talking and doing something at the same time, it's like walking and chewing gum, right? Now you place this back on top, and you have your choice of either a breakfast griddle, or you can use it as a grill grate. You place that on top, you turn the knob to start, and we're already heating up to 15,000 BTUs. With that lid, it makes it so simple. That's how easy it is to set up. That's how portable it is to take it with you. And you can do all kinds of things back here. Let me grab these steaks off of here before they get too done. That's about a medium on that one, medium rare on that one. And again, that's back at that Kamado grill. By the way, either one of our grills today come complete, okay, with all the accessories that you're going to need. The portable grill griddle, that's the one that runs off the propane. That comes with your storage bag. It comes with that extra hose, with the regulator, and everything you need inside. Normally, on Amazon, we sell this grill for $199, which is an awesome price. Look anywhere for a portable 17-inch grill. I mean, it's an amazing price just on our regular price. But today, and through all the way through the 14th, we're taking $70 off for our Prime Day, $129. And again, you can scroll down, take a look at them, check them out on our site. You'll be amazed. I mean, it's an amazing deal for an amazing grill. And again, anybody that does any amount of backyard cooking, tailgating, of course, we're not doing too much tailgating these days, but yard gating, backyard gating, garage gating, if you want to do that. Set up a TV in the garage, get the game on, and have your neighbors over and serve them some hot dogs and burgers. With the Kamado grill, I'm going to go back to that again, show you everything that comes with it. It's so simple. By the way, it comes with your little rolling casters, so you can move it around your deck, your patio, your sidewalk, or your yard. Inside, you've got your grill grate. This is where you're going to put the charcoal, okay? And everything that happens inside this grill, okay? You see the air holes? This is what supplies the air to create the heat with the charcoal. Underneath here, this is where the adjustments are, so you can adjust the air intake. And on the top, once you put the grill grate in, you can adjust the exhaust on it as well. It comes with that thermometer that goes from 50 degrees all the way up to 800 and more. With this, we give you the grill cover, which is awesome because that way you can keep it out in your backyard all winter long. Your starter, this is an electric starter for your charcoal. I told you about this earlier. To start your charcoal, you do not want any type of lighter fluid. Use this instead. It's an amazing way to start your charcoal. It does it super hot, super fast. And if you forget what I'm telling you here today, it does come with a full set of instructions. Shows you how to do all the setups on your for smoking, for grilling, for baking, how to set it up, how to adjust for your searing, grilling, or smoking. And it even comes with a cookbook that has 15 recipes inside, from beer can chicken to barbecue chicken to cedar plank salmon, baby back ribs. You can do grilled fish tacos, smoked pork butt, and there's also recipes for rubs and seasonings that you can make at home on your own. Everything on this grill comes with the grill today. for our Prime Day price of $299, which is 50% off. That's half the price of what it normally is on Amazon. Your choice of black, red, or blue. And then if you choose, if you're looking for that portability, if you're looking for that versatility, and you're looking for that grill that, if you know anybody that does any camping, it's a perfect gift and the perfect price today to pick it up as a gift. We've got those dogs going here. I'm going to flip those over, and the burgers, and you can see how quick and easy this is. You can get true grilling experience in your backyard, on your tailgate, at your campsite, and it's totally portable. For a 17-inch grill, reversible to a griddle. It's the versatility, the portability, and it's the flavors. Once you use our Lifesmart grills, you'll understand what everybody raves about. I'm really glad you joined us today for our Lifesmart little grilling adventure out here in my backyard. Scroll down, check out those deals at the bottom of your screen, and remember, whether you're picking up the Kamado Grill, which is an awesome charcoal grilling experience, or our portable, reversible griddle, you'll have a great experience in the backyard the next time you fire up the grill. Thanks for joining us again, and have a great day.
Clear.